All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got two of these guys right over here. I got the T-Max Ancient Iron in Titanium, in Zirconium, right here for a quick comparison review. But in the meantime, you can check out Fablades.com, check out this button right over here, or right over here it says subscribe, or the one with the thumbs up. Just give it that thumbs up. If you like this comparison, guys, let me know. If you want one of these, you can check out Fablades.com and see if there is any available left, because these are limited edition. There's not really many made of these. Very low batch production edition. So I reviewed this guy, of course, in the past, and it really became one of my favorite spinner. This just came out, and this is the Zirconium version, and you guys probably know how I love Zirconium toys. I mean, for example, like, I'm just gonna show you a couple right over here of Zirc items that I have, just like to give you, I don't know, I got this stuff. This is the stuff that I have. They keep on the table always with me because I just love it. So without further ado, I'm just gonna skip all these toys right over here to leave only these two beauties on the table. I'm just gonna do a quick size comparison. They're the same. A quick look comparison. They look the same, except for the fact that this is zirconium and this is titanium. So pretty much the only difference is going to be the weight, which we're going to check right now and see how we are doing with these guys. Let's see. I'm going to give it to you in ounces. And first with the Zirc, whopping 6.6 ounces. Guys. 4.85, 86, 85 ounces. So almost 2 full ounces more in this guy, which I love. I prefer a lot more the Zirc. Look at that. It's so heavy that this guy opens up with the same amount of pressure that I used to launch the Zirc, and now I had to apply a little bit more force because of the weight. So the wings on the Zirc are much heavier than this one, so they require a little bit more force to have them deploy. So beside the obvious weight difference, of course, there's a look difference. I mean, the black for me looks much better. It's just a preference that I have for the Zirc. I mean, I love titanium, but still, if I have the choice, 100% I would go with Zirc. Also, if you have a couple of these, you might want to take this apart. You can swap this and make like a panda version. You can play with them a little bit and just enjoy, because these guys are truly fantastic spinners, guys. Like you saw probably the review, but the cool part is that you have 3 layers. So you have 1 layer spinning, which is the button, and then you have this central part you can hold, you see, and of course you have the third one. The flaps are opening. You guys can install tricks on the sides and on the bottom as well to create a fantastic glowing effect when this thing is spinning. That's really cool indeed. And this is one of my favorite spinner for sure, bar none. I mean, not bar none, but I would say, let's just put this guy away. For example, if you ask me what are my favorite spinners, I would say probably these 4 guys. Yeah, I have other stuff. I mean, this, how can we exclude this thing from the group? But for sure, at the moment, mid-2023, these 4 guys are on my desk and they are not going anywhere. They're staying. They're resident, and this guy is this guy is one, and this guy is another one. Look at that. You guys complain that I never let them spin. I'm just gonna leave them spinning for a little bit. I usually don't spin the spinners that long because what you see is not what you get. So this effect that you see, it's pretty cool in video, but it's very different in real life. So if I would have like another camera wouldn't be shooting at this frame rate right over here, you would see something very different than this. Like for example, I can, you see, slow down. So you're not gonna see any of these cool effects in real life because this is just like an artificial effect created by the frame rate of the camera. Beside that, these two spinners are equally cool, equally awesome. I prefer a little bit the Zirc because of the reasons I said before, but I love them both equally. Maybe a little bit more this one. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.